You've never cleaned your shower this thoroughly before. This trick will help you clean your bathroom, especially the shower, quickly and efficiently. I guarantee it'll look like new. Grab a few cleaning cloths and cut them into thinner strips using scissors. Now, prepare a bowl. Pour in some vinegar. It has disinfecting and cleaning properties, doesn't leave streaks, and kills bacteria. Add enough to fully soak all the cloth pieces. Let them sit in the vinegar for a few minutes to absorb it well. Take the soaked cloths to the bathroom, specifically to the shower. Step inside and place the cloths all around, squeezing out the vinegar as you go. This will help break down limescale and dirt. Leave them on for a few minutes to boost their cleaning power. The best part? You can wash and reuse the cloths after every cleaning. Your bathroom will shine like never before. You'll quickly notice the surfaces becoming spotless and shiny. In no time, they'll look brand new. Clean your shower with this paper, and limescale won't settle for 2 weeks. You'll thank me for this trick. Your shower will look brand new, and it's completely free. The best part? No need for expensive detergents or harsh chemicals. All you need is regular baking paper from your kitchen. Take a piece of baking paper, dampen it slightly under running water, and crumple it into a ball. Use it to scrub the glass. Within moments, all the dirt will disappear, and the surface will shine. The difference between the cleaned and untouched sides is unbelievable. Forget wasting money on pricey glass cleaners. Baking paper does the trick. This simple method not only saves money, but is also environmentally friendly. Your bathroom will sparkle, and you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Give it a go, and enjoy a shower cabin that looks as good as new. Place a metal kitchen scrubber on a water squeegee. It's a surprisingly useful trick. The metal scrubber is flexible and durable, perfect for reaching hard-to-access areas. Take a metal scrubber and carefully attach it to the rubber edge of the squeegee, ensuring it's securely fixed so it doesn't slip off. This hack makes cleaning much easier. Let me show you how I clean my shower cabin with this tool. After spraying the glass doors and base with your chosen cleaning solution, start using the squeegee with the attached scrubber. Gently glide it over the glass doors and shower base. These areas often accumulate stubborn limescale and residue. The metal scrubber effectively removes dirt, while the rubber edge protects surfaces from scratches. With this simple trick, your shower cabin will shine with cleanliness. The metal scrubber tackles tough grime, and the squeegee allows for precise and easy maneuvering. Do you know what baking soda can be used for in the shower? I use its properties not only for baking cakes. With this simple baking soda mixture, not only will your shower sparkle, but you'll also enjoy a longer-lasting cleanliness without the need for frequent cleaning. I'll show you that just 1 packet of baking soda will help you get rid of stubborn stains and save a lot of money. Pour the baking soda into a container. Add a bit of dishwashing liquid. Pour a portion of dishwasher rinse aid and the same amount of apple cider vinegar. Pour about half a liter of water over all the ingredients and mix. Foam will be created, which will disappear after a while. Once all the ingredients are mixed, take it to the bathroom. Close the drain in the sink and pour the mixture. Take a sponge, soak it, and start cleaning the shower door, especially the chrome handles. Clean the glass on the door and the remaining walls of the shower cabin thoroughly. Also, clean the shower faucet. All streaks and dullness caused by water and soap scum will come off. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results quickly. The water will flow down the glass without leaving deposits and streaks. All spots and lime from the water will disappear and won't reappear as quickly. You won't have to clean the entire shower so often. It will be shiny and clean for much longer. The mixture will leave a protective layer on the glass, and you'll have time for other pleasures. Stop overpaying for expensive services when the solution is already in your bathroom. Start by placing a regular mesh strainer in the sink. Squeeze a generous amount of toothpaste onto it, then pour in a good amount of vinegar. Watch as the fizzy reaction begins. This natural combo works wonders on stubborn buildup that often blocks water flow. Unscrew the shower head from the hose and place it in a plastic bag, making sure it's fully submerged in the mixture. Secure the mesh with a rubber band so it stays in place. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Wondering why this trick matters? Here's why. After the time is up, screw the shower head back on, remove the mesh, and turn on the water. The solution will have dissolved the limescale buildup inside. As a result, your shower pressure could increase by up to 4 bars in just 5 to 10 minutes. No plumber needed. Try it once and you'll notice the difference instantly. Cleaner, stronger, and much more enjoyable than before. Throw them into the shower drain, and the result will surprise you. First, remove the plug from the shower tray and take out the drain part. Every shower has a different drain. Here, you just need to unscrew it. Clean it from any hair if there is any. Thoroughly clean the drain in the shower tray with a sponge. Use warm water and plenty of dish soap. Scrub away all the grime. Soak the drain parts in water with baking soda and wash them. Then pour a liter of vinegar into a kettle and heat it up. Go back to the bathroom. Throw 2 aspirin tablets into the drain and pour vinegar over them. You'll hear bubbling and see foam. Now, boil water in the kettle and pour it down the drain. The hot water will flush the pipes, eliminating any clogs and unpleasant odors. That's enough to make the drain flow freely again. Reassemble the drain with the plug and enjoy a clean shower. This way, the problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. This is how you remove all dirt from your shower cabin. This powder works like magic dust to clean limescale and buildup. Don't use chemical cleaners when homemade methods work best. First, spread regular baking soda over the glass doors. Then take a lemon cut in half. Add some extra baking soda onto the lemon. Rub the glass with the lemon where there is dirt and buildup. Lemon dissolves limescale. Baking soda removes dirt and acts as a gentle abrasive. It will gently break down and remove the buildup. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Then wipe the glass with a cloth soaked in warm water. Remove part of the mixture with the cloth. To leave the glass sparkling clean, use a simple dustpan. Thanks to its rubber edge, it works like a squeegee. Just wipe away the excess, and your glass cabin will be cleaner than ever before. This pink liquid is a real miracle. Cleaning the house has never been so enjoyable. Take a glass jar and pour in 100 milliliters of alcohol. Then add 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, which is commonly known as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a disinfectant, while the alcohol helps evaporate moisture, preventing streaks. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Finally, pour in 3 cups of water to dilute the solution. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Gently shake the bottle to mix the ingredients thoroughly. This pink cleaner is excellent for tackling stubborn limescale in bathrooms. It works well on countertops, bathroom surfaces, and even glass. It provides effective cleaning while being gentle on surfaces.